So this video is going to show you how to check progress in the three non-core content areas, which are PECC, Careers, and Technology. When you're logged in, what you want to do is select at the top menu up here, the word Empower, and then scroll down and go to the Student Snapshot. You'll probably have less icons on your page than I do, but when you scroll down you'll see one that says Student Snapshot. And when you come to the snapshot, you want to go ahead and select your student from the drop-down menu. I want to thank Amelia for letting me use her snapshot today. So when you log in and look at this, we're going to look specifically at those three areas: Careers, PECC, and Technology. So Careers, PECC, and Technology work on just about a straight grade level basis. So for example, a freshman should be in Careers Level 9. An 11th grader should be in Careers Level 11. 7th grade is the spot with Careers that's a little bit different because there's actually no 7th grade level. So our students in 7th grade start working on their Careers 8, but they actually don't need to have that level finished until the end of their 8th grade year. If they finish the level earlier than that, they can start on their high school level or their Careers Level 9, and then that will start earning them high school credit. When we look down at Personal and Community, this is down here at the bottom, and again the same thing, about one per grade level without any skipped. Technology is down our last level, and it paces out to one per grade level in the middle school, but for the high school we have 3 levels to do in 4 years. Our preference is for students to get 1 level per year done, but it also is possible that some of them might not do a level their freshman year and then do a level their senior year, or kind of do about 2/3 of a level per year. When we're looking at this, soon you guys should have the same box that I have here, which says Check to Activate. When I click that, it tells me the percent progress that the student has in that level. Remember, this isn't an overall score, it's the percent of the standards that are completed at a proficient basis. So when I look at Careers, I can see for this student, she's 66% of the way through the level for 9th grade. Now I need to decide if that's good progress or not based on what grade level she is and the time of the year that it is. So I could see like 66% would be great for a freshman during their first, second, or maybe almost to their 3rd quarter of their freshman year. When I look at her Personal and Community, I can see that she's at 47%, and again that's nearly halfway through her freshman year. So if it's the 1st or 2nd quarter for freshman year, she's in really good shape. When we look at Technology, this time of the year, which happens to be in October, almost the end of the 1st quarter, I would expect that a student is 25% of the way through their level. So for this student, if she were a freshman, I might say, hey, you really need to start picking up the pace, or let's take a look at Technology. If you ever want to know what is inside of any of those levels, you can click on the level itself, and it will load the standards down here at the bottom. Let me slide myself out of the way again. And then when we scroll down, you can see the standard itself, and then you can also click to open the standard and get the scoring guide for it. And then you can also see how many hits or how many times a student needs to do that activity, and then the activities that have been done to count for that standard. If on any of these you see a 0 or an M, that means that standard or that activity was not completed. Those are either missing or they were not turned in. So as we look down through this level and you want to try to help your students out for those, you could look here. The other place that you could look if you wanted to help out with those additional levels is to go back to the student desktop, and each of those 3 areas should have for it a tile, like for example Technology Level 8 will have its own playlist. You can open the playlist just like the core content areas and look through to see progress, activities, ideas, or to upload work. If you have more questions, drop us an email or watch another video. Thanks.